Hey sleepers, it's Nicole, your favorite mattress expert with Sleepopolis. You know, I know a thing or two about mattresses. I mean, I do this for a living, so I have to flex my expertise by comparing Nectar's OG mattress, the Nectar Classic. And I know what you're thinking, Nicole, that's only one mattress. Well, you know what I gotta say to that? You're
wrong.
And I'm right. There's actually a memory foam option and a hybrid version, and that's what's going to be going head to head today. I recently tested both of these beds individually, and you can find those reviews here on YouTube. Even though they are all made from the same brand, it doesn't mean they are made the same. I'm going to compare how these beds differ in multiple areas like firmness, construction, cooling, responsiveness, and more to help you decide which one is the winner in your eyes. But before I dive in, I do want to let you know that if you use our coupons linked below, you can save a lot of money on either of these beds that I mentioned in this video. Now let's go ahead and see which bed will come out on top. Yes, both of these beds are made from the same brand, but I pinky promise they have a few other things in common than just that, so let's go ahead and see the similarities. First off, the Nectar Classic is the brand's flagship mattress and most budget-friendly option. Even though this mattress comes in both an all-foam version and hybrid version, both beds offer sleepers that true medium firm feel, that perfect blend of comfort and support. And both models are 12 inches tall. And no matter which version you do decide to buy, both of these mattresses will ship for free and will arrive at your doorstep compressed and rolled up in a box. They both also come with a year trial period as well as an impressive lifetime warranty. The brand Nectar actually just recently remodeled all of their core mattresses, including the foam and hybrid versions of their flagship mattress, the Nectar Classic. The OG models of this bed did contain fiberglass in its construction, which left many sleepers feeling leery of these beds. Well, have no fear, the brand took those concerns into consideration and there is no longer any fiberglass in any of their mattresses. So you can rest easy at night knowing that this bed won't cause you any potential harm in the long run.
Sleep, my darling, safe and sound.
Now let's move on to the differences, well, or just difference, between these two beds. Frankly, the only difference between the memory foam and hybrid versions of the Nectar Classic is simply just that. The two different versions it comes in. The memory foam version means this mattress is simply made of all foam, whereas the hybrid version means the bed is made with a mix of foam and coils. As I previously mentioned, both beds have a similar feel. The only thing that sets apart the hybrid bed from the memory foam mattress is that the coils in the hybrid mattress help make that bed more bouncy and responsive. Even though these are basically the same bed, just with different constructions, they do actually come with different price tags as well. Since the Nectar Classic in both versions is the least expensive option that Nectar offers, either bed is a good option for budget-friendly shoppers. With our exclusive coupons, you can score the Nectar Classic memory foam mattress for around $700 for a queen size. The hybrid version of the Nectar Classic will cost you around $100 more for a queen size, around $800 after sales and discounts. Not only is Nectar already known for being an affordable brand, but they do often run sales and deals throughout the year, but we also always have coupons for you to save even more. Just click the link in the description below.
Can I get an amen?
Here at Sleepopolis, we like to rate firmness on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being as if you are sleeping on a soft pillowy cloud and 10 being as if you're sleeping on a boulder. And we like to use the rating of 6.5 as the standard for medium firm. As I previously mentioned, even though they both have different constructions, both the memory foam and hybrid versions of this bed offer sleepers that true medium firm feeling. I gave them both a true medium firm rating of 6.5, a perfect blend of comfort and support, no matter if it's made with all foam or a mix of foam and coils. Even though these beds are practically the same, just two different versions of one another, it's practically not going to feel the same to every person. There's a lot of factors that can influence how a bed feels to you, like your body type, weight, and sleep style. Before I dive into how the different sleeping positions should feel on each bed, I want you to keep in mind that back sleepers tend to need a mattress that is comfortable and supportive. Stomach sleepers usually prefer a firmer mattress to ensure their hips are elevated and spine aligned, whereas side sleepers usually prefer a softer bed that offers contouring around their joints. And the less you weigh, you actually may feel like a bed is more firm than someone who weighs more than you. But first up, let's start with the all-foam Nectar Classic. The all-foam Nectar Classic is a great pick for most back and stomach sleepers. These sleepers will get the support they need while still feeling comfortable. Since this bed offers sleepers that true medium firm feel, sleepers aren't likely to sink into the bed and will still feel lifted and supported the entire night. This is unique for an all-foam mattress. Even though this bed is made of all foam, it's not going to give the sleeper that traditional memory foam feel where the bed cradles your body. But even though it is slightly firmer, it still offers good pressure relief around the lower lumbar region, which is perfect for sleepers with back pain. However, the Nectar Classic is entirely too firm for side sleepers who weigh less than 130 pounds, or side sleepers with more sensitivity in their shoulders, neck, or hips. These sleepers won't receive the necessary contouring that they need around their joints. However, this bed is still quite supportive and should still be a good pick for heavier back and stomach sleepers who weigh over 250 pounds. And finally, since the Nectar Classic Hybrid is also medium firm, it is also a great pick for most back and stomach sleepers. It offers the support they need while still offering a good amount of comfort. The cover is soft and plush, yet supportive for these sleepers to feel comfortable. However, since this bed is medium firm, there isn't enough contouring or cushion for side sleepers' joints, no matter your weight. This bed is soft, but still too firm for strict side sleepers, especially side sleepers with sensitive joints. Since the coils increase the mattress's durability and structural integrity, this bed could also be a solid pick for heavier sleepers weighing over 250 pounds. If a heavier sleeper is contemplating between either the hybrid or foam version of this bed, then I definitely recommend they consider the hybrid, help increase the longevity of the mattress and help promote anti-sagging. And now on to one of our favorite tests, the pressure map test. The pressure map uses heat mapping technology to show us visually where pressure builds across my body when I lay on each bed. Now, when looking at the results, I want you to keep in mind that blue and green colors show areas of lower pressure, which is good, we want to see that, whereas reds and oranges are going to show areas of higher pressure, which we necessarily don't want to see. When looking at the Nectar Classic memory foam for pressure relief, it's showing very little pressure buildup on my back, which is fantastic. And for side sleeping, you can see some pressure buildup around my joints, but that's not surprising since this bed doesn't offer much sinkage around that area. And looking at the Nectar Classic Hybrid for pressure relief, again, these are amazing results. It's mainly all blue while back sleeping and literally very little pressure showing up anywhere on my back. And even though this bed isn't super plush, there was less pressure around my joints than I was expecting there to be, so it can still be a good option for side sleepers. As I wrap up my review of Nectar's newly remodeled flagship mattress, the Nectar Classic, I want to recap by going over who I think would prefer each bed. Let's go ahead and start with the memory foam version. The memory foam version is a great pick for most back and stomach sleepers. It offers the support these sleepers need while still offering comfort. It also scored amazingly well for relieving pressure around the lower back. This bed is a great option for sleepers looking for a firmer feeling memory foam mattress. This bed could also be a solid pick for hot sleepers. It performed surprisingly well in our cooling test, especially for being an all-foam bed. And since this is the least expensive option that Nectar offers, even out of the two models, the memory foam version is the most affordable option, so it's perfect for shoppers balling on a budget. And finally, here's who I think should get the Nectar Classic Hybrid. The Nectar Classic Hybrid is a great pick for most back and stomach sleepers. It offers the support they need while still offering a good amount of comfort. The coils in this mattress also help increase the durability and help make this bed be supportive enough to support larger bodies over 250 pounds. Not only is this bed a good option for extra hot sleepers since it does a good job of regulating our body temperature, but the coils in the mattress's construction also help promote airflow. And finally, since this bed is more bouncy and responsive compared to the memory foam version, this model is better suited for couples sharing the bed. And there you have it, the newly remodeled Nectar Classics battling it out. You know, we're all so different, just like mattresses, so I technically can't tell you who the winner is. You're gonna have to decide that for yourself. But you let me know in the comments down below. Are you a fan of memory foam or hybrid? If you want more information about either bed, you can head over to Sleepopolis.com for full in-depth written reviews. And also, while you're there, you should check out our sleep health content as well as our exclusive coupons. Now, before you go, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel so I am always on your phone. Also, while you're at it, check us out on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you here next time.